Hey, good afternoon. And it's beautiful here in Fayetteville. The last couple of days have been in the 70s. And yes, it's February. I'm not used to that, but I do like it. And when the weather gets warm, I think our minds kind of go to, fresh salads. Now, we all love salad, but I have always said over my career that I could unhealth just about anything that can be made. And today I made two salads. One is I started out making a grilled Caesar salad where you take the romaine and you grill it on the grill, top it with some cheese and some croutons and some Caesar salad dressing. And I decided to change it up a little bit with a couple of the grilled romaines. And to one, I added balsamic glaze and dried cranberries and goat cheese. And that was fabulous. And the other one was blue cheese and bacon. Again, unhealth. So the recipes are here, the videos are here. Watch them and enjoy some salad. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to slice our heads of romaine the long way. If you want to cut off some of those top green leaves, you can. Keeping the stems intact keeps the lettuce from falling apart. And we're going to spray these with some Pam. I learned the hard way that if you use oil, they can burn. And season with a little salt and pepper. We're going to throw them on a hot grill. Now you want to stay with these because they can burn up real quick. I got a crappy little grill, so I don't have to worry about that too much, but if you have a good grill, watch them. And you want them to be slightly charred. If you like them a little more charred than that, leave them on a little longer. And there's all of them. I had 4 halves altogether. So we're going to do the grilled Caesar first. And we're going to take 2 of our charred romaine heads and sprinkle them with some Parmesan cheese, some shredded Parmesan. And then we're going to add some croutons. You can make your own or use store-bought. And then we're going to drizzle these with some Caesar salad dressing. Again, you can make your own or use store-bought. In this case, I chose store-bought. And Marie's is a good one. We're going to pour that on. And there they are. Lovely and delicious. For the next one, we're going to put some chunky blue cheese dressing on one of our romaine heads. And then we're going to finish it off with some crumbled cooked bacon. And that's it for this one. And it's delicious. Bacon and blue cheese is the best combination. Well, almost the best. The next one we're going to drizzle with a balsamic glaze. You can make your own balsamic glaze by reducing balsamic vinegar. And then we're going to top with some dried cranberries. I was surprised to find these down here in the south because it's kind of a New England thing. But I found some, and I was very happy about that. And then a little sprinkle of crumbled goat cheese. And there's that one. And that was the first one that I ate, and it was the best. And don't you just want to dig into these beauties? There's the 2 alternate ones, and there is the Caesar. And sticking with the salad theme, I decided to make what was once a very popular salad, especially in the catering end of things. This salad was on the tables of more functions than I can remember. Oh, and there's Kelly interrupting me. Bye-bye. So it's a winter salad. It has, it's a sweet potato salad with an orange maple vinaigrette. And it's beautiful and colorful and very tasty. And again, the recipe's on the website and the video is here. And watch it and make it if you want and enjoy. The next salad is a real showstopper. And in the intro, I said that it was very popular in catering. We have our ingredients, and those can be found on the recipe on the website. We want to beat 2 egg whites until frothy, and then we're going to blend in a separate bowl, blend the spices. This is for the candied pecans, by the way. And I found some locally grown pecans at the farmer's market, so I bought them up. And we're going to toss those with the egg whites until they're well coated. The egg whites make this version of candied pecans a little healthier than most because there's no oil. Now we're going to remove the pecans from the egg whites and put them in a separate bowl and add the spices, the seasonings to them. We're going to toss that to coat. And the seasonings here are clove, cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg, a little cayenne pepper just for a little zing at the end. And we're going to lay those out on a baking sheet. And those are going to go in the oven for 250, nice low heat for about 1 hour. And they come out looking like that. Now you're going to have to break them up because they're kind of stuck together because of the sugar. And these babies really make this salad. They are so tasty. You should just make them and eat them by themselves. Now we're going to take 2 sweet potatoes and peel them. And Kelly loves sweet potato. She's upside down, but I'm coming in from the top. And we're going to give them feet so we can cut them. Giving them feet means putting them on a flat side. We're going to cut them into 1/2 to 3/4 inch cubes. And we're going to toss those cubes with some olive oil, some salt, and some pepper. Then we're going to spread those out on a single layer after they're tossed together on a baking sheet. And we're going to raise the heat up to 325, and we're going to cook those for about 30 minutes to 40 minutes. They're going to be soft and slightly browned on the edges. Next, we're going to make the dressing. There's a lot of ingredients in this dressing. I wish I had time to tell you all of them. But we're going to whisk all the ingredients together. Again, you'll find the ingredients on the recipe on the website. And we're going to whisk those together, everything except the oil. Next, we're going to put a non-skid mat or a wet kitchen towel down on the counter and place our bowl on top. That'll keep the bowl from moving around while we're whisking in the oil in a steady stream. You're going to pour the oil in a steady stream and whisk while you're doing that until the dressing is nicely emulsified. Next, we're going to assemble our salad. Greens, sweet potatoes, nuts, cranberries, goat cheese. Then we're going to dress it and enjoy it. And it's truly delicious.